Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, we're comparing two of the most popular handwriting-based note-taking apps, Notability and GoodNotes 6, to help you decide which one is better for your workflow in 2025. Let's start with Notability. Notability is known for its simplicity and speed. It offers smooth handwriting, audio recording sync to your notes, and a clean interface that's great for students and quick note-takers. It also supports multi-note viewing, allowing you to open two notes side by side, which is perfect for studying. However, its organization system is a bit basic compared to others. Now let's talk about GoodNotes 6. GoodNotes 6 is built for structured and detailed note-taking. It has powerful organization tools, customizable templates, and advanced handwriting recognition. It's ideal for users who want full control over how their notebooks look and work. It also offers smart features like AI-powered summaries and math conversions, making it great for academic or professional use. So, which one is better? If you want a simple, fast, and audio-friendly app, Notability is the better choice. But if you need advanced features, customization, and powerful organization, GoodNotes 6 is the stronger option. In short, Notability is best for quick, clean notes, while GoodNotes 6 excels at in-depth, organized notebooks. Your choice depends on how you prefer to capture and manage your notes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.